Hello and welcome to T-shirt design course, lesson 3. In this lesson, we'll be going through text and shapes based design. So we'll be handling basically text using the text tool again, like typography, but in a bit different way. We're going to make the text into a 3D form, making it into a 3D shape for us to make a unique design for a t-shirt. So let's get started with it. So here we are with Adobe Illustrator. I have taken the same A4 size paper or A4 size artboard. Now we're going to use the text tool first. So I'm going to use the text tool, but this time I'm going to use a different form of text. So I'm going to search techno. I think, yeah, that text I do not have. Let's go for something which is bold. Yeah, this works. So I'm going to type in, let's say 3D text, 3D text. There you go. This is a very, there you go. Now we have 3D text. So I'm going to rearrange it to the center over here. Now we're going to make it into the 3D form. So I'm going to first select text. I'm going to add border to it. Then I'm going to add no fill to it. I'm going to first expand it, not like that. Expand it like this, and I'm going to edit it so that it's right by that side. There you go. I'm going to first change it like that, align it to the center. Keep it to the center right here and align it to the center. There you go. I'm going to copy it, paste it over here. Then I'm going to select both of them. I'm going to go to object. I'm then going to blend and then make. There you go. Now, as you can see, we have two objects over here, but as the blend goes, we will have different forms of blending structures over here. So I'm going to increase it like that and align it to the center again. There you go. But before that, I want to add like a fill color to it. So let me add like, let's say white. There you go. White fill color, okay. So I think the white fill color has been set. After we're done with filling it with, let's say, white color, or I'm going to just give it a like preset like this. So there you go. Now we're going to go to object again, then blend options. Then we're going to go for selected steps, and I'm gonna type in, let's say, 5. Okay, there you go. As you can see, now we have 5 overall steps over here. Now what I'm going to do this, I'm going to go to object, I'm going to go to blend and reverse spine. That way we'll have the top side on top, the bottom side beneath. There you go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this. I'm going to go to object and then rasterize. No, not rasterize, object, expand. Okay, there you go. Now we have every single other object difference. If I were to ungroup this, as you can see, I can change every single line over here now. Just like that. Now what we'll do, we'll select everything, we'll ungroup it, Control Shift and G. After we have ungrouped, you'll see every line here. You can change them however you want, but we won't be doing that. We will be selecting everything, then going to Effect, then 3D, then Extrude and Bevel. As you can see, now we have a 3D option for our text. Now we'll go ahead and use the posting over here for the 3D. I'm gonna go ahead and select top first, as you see, create text. It's on top now. And then we're going to use the extrude depth here and use it as 1. There you go. And under the preview, you'll see that it's like that over there. There you go. Now you have the 3D text like this. Now you can go ahead and select each and every single one and change the color as you see fit. So I'm going to add in different forms of colors to each and every single one, so that you can differentiate between them. So red for this one, and dark red for that one. There you go. In this one, I'm going to give it bluish hue. There you go. And you can change it however you will, like you can change it like that. You can change it like this. Change it like that. Change it like this as well. Something like that. Now, as every single one of my text looks different, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Effect again, 3D, then Extrude and Bevel again. And then I'm going to go to Top again. Or I'm just going to cancel it because it's making my 3D text into 3D again. I'm just gonna press Undo to undo everything. There you go. I'm going to do the same thing, Extrude 3. And I'm going to give it asymmetric top. There you go. And instead of 50 points, let me add it like 10. There you go. Now it looks better. Now I can change it however I want it. So I'm going to select everything. I'm going to change it to, let's say, black. And there you go. And this one, the border to be red. The border to be red. There you go. And that looks better. If we were to select this, change, let's say, the text, I can also do that as well. Before that, let me select every single one. Every single text over here. Sorry, not that one. Undo it. Take every single one. Change the text. You can change the text however you like it. So for now, we're going to keep it like this, and we're going to see how it looks like on our mockup. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this. Now I'm going to open up Photoshop and see how it fares with our mockup. So now, as you can see, we have our mockup over here. We have the t-shirt. Then we can add the design over here, as you can see. So I'll double click on this, and as you see, I'll delete this part over here. I'm just going to select this and delete it. I'm not going to save that. I'm going to go up over here. And then I'm going to paste it as smart as pixels. There you go. You have the 3D text over here, and I'm going to remove that. So as I have the 3D text over here, I'm going to go ahead and cancel it and go back. As you can see, we have the 3D text over here. Now you can add effect to it, but as you can see, the mockup already has the textures of it. So you can see the textures of the t-shirt over here. Now you have a very cool looking t-shirt from this design as well. As you can see, this is one example, one category of t-shirt designs. This will be all for this lesson, and I'll be meeting you guys within the next lesson. Thank you.